Hi guys, this is Escon from Online Tools Tutorials. Today's video is about the continuation of Flipgrid students version. So I am going to show you how to use the Flipgrid classroom as a student. So initially you go to the to your search engine and type flipgrid.com. So it will take you to the cover page of Flipgrid. You don't need to do anything here on top. Just scroll down and enter your flip code. Remember the flip code that your teacher has given you. You are going to use that. So type OK and go. So now you need to log in using your college email. Okay. So now this is your Flipgrid classroom. It depends on the cover that your teacher is going to use. So here we go. On here, on this banner, you will see three topics. In order to find out what are they, click the drop down button and you can see here. So week 1 was your homework last week, for example. So click on that and here are the responses. So in order to add your recording, just click on this one. Okay, it's loading now, preparing you for Flipgrid experience. So if you want to show your face, go for it. If you don't like to show your face, you can click on this and click it's either blackboard or whiteboard. You want to change it to whiteboard, click it. You want to go back, so use the black one. Okay, now let's say you want to write something, you can use this for your text. You want to use this for filters, then go for it. You can choose from here. If you want to use a photo sticker, you can make use of this one and get it from your file. Or if you want the emoji, this one, click on this and choose the emoji that you want to use. So how are you going to record your voice? Click on this image, click it. Okay, and begin recording. So after you finish recording, click again this button and click next. Okay, and begin recording. So after you finish recording, if you are satisfied with what you have recorded, click next and click this one. If you want to have a selfie, you can go for it. If you don't like, leave it and then click next, and your recording is preparing to submit. So write the title, for example, week one, and submit. Then complete. That's it. So your assignment is there. This one. Okay. You cannot delete it anymore. Only your teacher can delete it, but you can listen to it. Okay, and begin recording. So after you finish recording, click again this button. Okay, so now you want to check again the other things inside this classroom. This is the latest assignment, for example. This is the latest homework, and the pronunciation guide is there. Click it on, and it will take you to the tool. Go back. Okay, so this is, for example, this is the latest homework. So the teacher has written here, study the correct pronunciation of this word and record your voice. So how are you going to record your voice? You can listen to your teacher first. Here are the models. Okay. So how are you going to respond? You click on this and record your voice. So this is how you use the Flipgrid as a student. If you have any questions, just post your comments on my video, and I'm very happy to answer you. So